So we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Generac GP2200i. This is around kind of in the $500, budget gas generator range. Can do 1700 running watts, 2200 surge or starting watts. So let's open it up and see what's in the box, and we'll compare it to some of our other kind of quiet generators that we're going to be testing to see how loud these things actually are at different loads and different spacing. So Generac makes a lot of different wattages in terms of what size generators it has. This is definitely on its smaller end, and this is just ordered straight off Amazon. And we've got just an owner's manual, it looks like, right there. Looks like we've got some standard accessories here. Spark plug changer, and then a little funnel. And in here, we've got power clamps and a cigarette adapter. Okay. All right, let's get this thing out. Just tip this over, pull this out by its handle, kind of get a sense of what it's like to move this thing. Okay. Compact, lightweight start dial. All right, that's great. Let's take this thing off. All right, so it's very plasticky. Gas cap at the top here. No fuel gauge or anything, but again, this is a pretty cheap option. On the side here, we've got our starter, and we've got off, run, and choke. And okay, so no pull choke. It's fine. And then we got 2 AC outlets, 12-volt cigarette adapter there, a few warning lights, and a little USB out there, and then parallel hookups. Okay, just have an economy on and off switch here. So we'll test the sound and everything on the eco mode. But that's the Generac 2200i. We just wanted to compare it, just kind of size-wise. Kind of the other budget gas generator in this range is the Wen. This is a 1700 watt as well, rated for running 2000 watt surge. So see, the Wen's a little smaller. This is a little cheaper one, maybe $100 cheaper than the Generac. And then you get to like some of the more premium brands like the Yamaha. That's about $1,000 one, or kind of the classic, Honda 2200i. And kind of see, they're all roughly about the same size. I think this Wen is probably the lightest. Honda, Generac, they're all in the 45-pound range, those ones. This one's maybe 41. So, all pretty similar. You got name brands in the Honda and the Yamaha, Wen and Generac. A little cheaper options, definitely kind of more flimsy, plasticky feeling than kind of the solid parts of the more expensive ones, but they're half the price. So it'll be fun to test these, see how quiet these are, and we'll get these out and test it. But this is the Generac GP2200i.